Experimental research. Our hypothesis is that the use of an eco-friendly laundry detergent in our wash will perform as well as a convenient laundry detergent. The hypothesis will be tested by staining a white shirt with 3 of the most common stains: white, chocolate milk, and sauce, and hand washing it on a washboard. This process will be repeated for each detergent brand. To make the testing easier, we'll only use liquid laundry detergents and 50 milliliter per wash as each. As a control group, we'll place each shirt in water containing mixed with its detergent. We'll let them rest for 10 minutes to ensure that the detergent acts on the stains. Then hand wash them by 3 minutes. The stains will be the same amount for every shirt: 1 tablespoon of wine, 1 tablespoon of sauce, and 75 milliliters of chocolate milk. After testing all of the detergents, we'll compare the performance by how we'll each remove the stains and answer our hypothesis.
The independent variables that we'll be using is the brand of the detergents in each test, which are Mascolor, Tide, Eco-Friendly, called Brisas del Mar by Greenland. And the dependent variables are the removal of the stains, control variables, the amount of detergent, group control, time and water, the amount of time spent hand washing, the type of shirt, the sections in the shirts for the stains, and the amount of wine, chocolate, and sauce used for the stains. Here are the results. Here's Tide, here's Mas, and here's the eco-friendly one. In this chart, we can see that they all had the same results. So they all removed the chocolate and milk, none of them removed the wine, and all of them almost removed the sauce. In these charts, we can see the same results, but in a bar graph. Here's the chocolate milk, the sauce, and the wine.
Our hypothesis was right. The eco-friendly detergent was as effective as the conventional ones. After looking at the results, we saw that Tide performed the best, followed by the eco-friendly one, and at last, Mas. The experiment went out flawlessly. We got the results we wanted, so we don't think we have to run the experiment again. However, if we had to change a variable, we would change how much time the stains spent on the shirt, since we cleaned them right away after staining them. Finally, we can say that eco-friendly detergents and products have caught up with conventional ones in terms of how effective they are, and they can now compete in the market. And this is our future research. And this is a picture of us at the experiment. And another one.